ungayibuki iformula ekhanda bese ufaka i-answer la cha yonke into ecabanga uyayibhala yonke into ecabanga uyayibhala yabo and then kuthiwani nama substitutions sometimes you could do njengaka maths kuyenzeka ukuthi ezinye amanye ama steps wenze ngekhanda uyayibona lento leyo khomisa uqhamuka nokunye or khomisa uqhamuka neanswer. Don't do that. Ungakwenzi lokho yonke into uyayibhala as simplified as it can be ngobani wenzela phela lo zokumakela ukuthi lento yakho lumcabango onawo ngalento awu understand kalula awode lama makode ezevana. Round off your final answers to a minimum of 2 decimal places. Okusho ukuthi wonke ama-answer akho azowathola in decimals, you will round off to 2 decimal places. Okusho ukuthi wena uma uzothola i-answer mhlambe ezoba u3,514 kanje, wena uzoyi-round off leyo answer uthi 3,51 yabo. Wathola u9,799 kanje uzoyi-round off kuba u9,80 yabo kanjalo. You're gonna round off abakushoyo la. So a minimum of 2 decimal places after i-comma. After i-comma le ekhona kwi-answer yakho uzobitholile. So uma ungakwazi uku-round off, better pause the video manje uzame ukwenza ngani uyokufunda kancane mhlawumbe it'll take 5 minutes kuyinto nje elula vele. Write neatly and legibly. Okusho ukuthi bhala ngokuhlanzeka. Imibuzo yakho ama-answers akho kumele agcwale all over the place. Usuyabala eceleni kombuzo kanje uyanyuka omunye umuntu ongumakelayo kuzoba nzima ngithi usayibona into yakho or uzocikele ukuthi sometimes i-answer i-right but uzoyibhala la eceleni sibe sikhona isikhathi, which is why wena it is your duty yokubhala ngendlela ngokuhlanzeka futhi. So iwona ke ama-instructions lawa onikezwe wona for uku-answer leli phepha. Remember you have 1 hour, number 1. Number 2, it is 50 marks, which means lo 50 marks lo kumele uphendule yonke imibuzo regardless ukuthi ama-answers akho will be correct or incorrect. Yonke imibuzo kumele uyiphenduliwe. Okay, so sesikona manje question 1. Yibona lo question 1 esizoqala ngawo ke la, which is ama multiple choice questions, MCQ. Ama multiple choice questions asebenza kanjani? So la bazokunika i-statement and then bakhithise izinto eziwu4. Kulezi zinto eziwu4 abazokunika zona iyodwa ezobe ihambiselana nale statement abasishoyo phezulu, which means i-answer yakhona iyodwa. For example, uma bese bakubuza ukuthi uba upresident wase South Africa. A mhlambe bathi DJ Tira, B bathi uSjava, uC mhlambe bathi uCyril Ramaphosa, and then uD mhlambe bathi Chris Brown. Obviously i-answer iyodwa uCyril Ramaphosa. Yayizonto le. So it's the same concept ke nakhona ke la. Bazokunikeza i-statement, bakunikeze ne-list of ama choices ongawakhetha, and iyodwa ezobe i-correct iyona lozokuyikhetha ke wena. So which are 4 possible options are provided. Njengobona anama options awu 4. As answers to the following questions. Each question has only 1 correct answer. Umbuzo nombuzo iyodwa answer, because kuye kwenzeka abe mabili ama answer, yabo. So la iyodwa. Choose the answer and write only the letter A or D, or A to D, next to the question number 1.1 to 1.4 in the answer book. For example, 1,5 C. So nalana ke, which means when I must buy the answer, it's 1,1 mhlawumbe i-answer u-A, 1,1 mhlawumbe i-answer B, 1,1 mhlawumbe i-answer C, 1,1 mhlawumbe i-answer D, kanjalo kanjalo. Uphendula nje lokhu osuke kunjani kubuziwe, which means ku 1,1 for le statement le yipi answer yakhona. Maku A should uzobhala u1,1 no A eceleni. Kanjalo kanjalo. Masuku 1,2 mhlawumbe no D. Masuku 1,3 no C. Kanjalo kanjalo. Awubhali ukuthi frequency, awubhali lokubhalwe la. Ubhala ini iletter eqondene nalonto osuke ebikhethile. Alright. Asofundeke ke question 1.1. Kuthiwa lana, the time taken for one complete wave cycle to pass a point is known as A, frequency, B, amplitude, C, wavelength, D is your period. So, I guess this is something we break it down again. Kuthiwa lana, the time taken. Yes, the time taken, which means that sikhuluma ngesikhathi. Lesi sikhathi lesi esenza ukuthi one complete wave cycle. Yabo, one complete wave cycle. Ukusho ukuthi ikanje lento le. Nayi i-wave cycle eyodwa. Yabo? To pass a point is known as, which means asibhale kanje ukuze uzobona